Now let's see what type of designs we can make. If we click here, create a design, you can see a drop-down menu of all the type of designs that you can make. An easier way to look at it is just to go down here and click on create a design, and you can see all the different types of designs that you can make. So for example, if you want to design something that you can print, such as a business card, you could take a look here to get templates. So there's a poster, a business card, a US letter document, a postcard, invitation, flyer. For social media, you have Instagram posts, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook story, Facebook cover, Twitter post, Tumblr graphic, YouTube thumbnail. And a YouTube thumbnail is very important because it plays a big factor in driving traffic to your videos. Pinterest graphic, a SoundCloud banner, Twitch banner, and there's many more. Now for documents, you can create presentations, A4 documents, letters, resumes, reports, daily report, memo, invoice. For personal things, you can make birthday cards, recipe cards, a photo collage, a photo book, a calendar, a planner, storyboard, scrapbook, a postcard, a CD cover, comic strip. For education, you can make a yearbook, class schedule, worksheets, report card, bookmark, table of contents, a mind map. For marketing, you can make logos, posters, flyers, infographics, brochures, gift certificates, product label, tickets, newsletters, ID card. Now for events, you'll have templates for birthday invitations, wedding invitations, announcements, event programs, announcements, and the Facebook event cover. And for ads, you'll have templates you can use for making Facebook ads and different types of banner ads.